I am going to be creating a clay pattern tile with a Sgraffito technique. So I have my clay, roller, and tools, and I'm going to paint with an underglaze. I also have this square tracer I'll use to make my tile shape. So first, to make a slab, I need to press my clay out and then roll it flat. I like to roll and turn to get a nice even layer. Checking the thickness, I have now rolled my clay out big enough for my tracer. Now I'm going to use a knife tool to cut out around the edges. Removing the excess, I now have my square tile. First thing I'm going to do is flip my tile over and write my name on the back before I do my design. I'm also going to fill in any cracks. Now that my name's on the back of my tile, I'm ready to start my design. Double checking and smoothing my tile, it's time to paint with an underglaze. I'm using a black underglaze that can be painted right onto wet clay. Making sure to add a nice smooth coat and get all pieces of my tile, I'm adding a nice thick layer. The glaze looks like a gray now, but it will appear black after it's fired. Now it's time to carve out my design. The Sgraffito technique means that I'm carving a design out of the underglaze. And when my clay is fired, my gray clay will show white to make a black and white design. Notice that each time I draw a line, I'm picking the clay off of the end of my tool. That's so I don't have little pieces of clay stuck all over the tile. As I continue to carve my design, I'm careful to wipe my tool after each line to get the excess clay off. Now I've completed my Sgraffito pattern design. When my clay is dry, it's time to go in the kiln. And here's what it looks like after it's been fired with a black and white design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.